Rubihan Mehmet celebrated her 100th birthday on June 14th with 4 generations of her big, happy family.
过节的时候嘛，好好全都没有，一南不上，吃的还不好，有时间不你有时间还没有。现在嘛，吃的也有，穿的也有，那么好一点。我现在高兴，吃的好得很，穿的好得很。
Rubihan loves flowers. Every day, she waters her flowers. With flowers and her grandchildren, her home feels full. She lives with her daughter and her family. While 2 of her younger grandchildren are still at school, her oldest grandchild has a good job and got married in 2006. She has 3 great-grandchildren. There are 65 people in her extended family. Rubihan's big family is not unusual for ethnic minorities in Xinjiang. The Uyghur population increased from 8.35 million in 2000 to 11.62 million in 2020, with an average annual growth rate of 1.67%, which is much higher than the average annual growth rate of 0.83% of China's ethnic minority populations in the same period.
事实是胜于雄辩的。那么，随着新疆我们各方面事业的发展，我们新疆的人口都是一直在持续不断的增长，尤其是我们的少数民族的人口持续不断的增长。那甚至我们的维吾尔族人口也在不断的增长，这是一个不争的事实。哪有我们说人口不断持续增长，你说我们在进行种族灭绝？
The steady rise of Xinjiang's population hasn't come easily. It's the result, in no small part, to the region's improving medical care.
以前我有3个哥哥，还是1个姐姐，都是小的时候很小的时候就不在了，也都是因病不在的，是因为都是没有医院呀，就在家里面生的，所以就是那样子不好的就不在了。现在好，现在家里面生孩子人没有，基本上都到医院去，生下来就是打疫苗呀，这些孩子就没有那样子病了。
Before the founding of the People's Republic of China, Xinjiang only had around 50 medical institutions, with less than 700 beds. By 2019, the region had over 18,000 medical institutions and roughly 190,000 beds. Moreover, the infant mortality rate dropped from over 400 per 1,000 in 1949 to 6.75 per 1,000 in 2020.
从我入职以后从我进入我的专业，我喜欢我的我热爱我的职业。那这个过程中，我觉得我手上出生的宝宝，按照我的工龄27年来算，可能接近万是有的。我们整个孕期保健做的都比较是全的都是就是一体化全程服务。从您们进入医院的时候可以看到，我们地面上有个绿色通道的指示牌，这就包括这个病人从踏进我们医院开始，他的绿色通道是全程开放的。急重症的一些患者来的时候，他可以先不付费进入各项的检查，甚至包括我们的手术、急救、抢救，直到他的生命我们抢救他的生命，直至他安全以后，我们才会来完成正常孕产妇从交费办卡这个过程。
In addition to better medical care, preferential family planning for ethnic minorities in Xinjiang has also contributed to the continuing growth of the Uyghur population. The family planning policy for ethnic minorities in Xinjiang was implemented 17 years after it was rolled out for the Han people. It was more flexible than that in other places on the mainland.
那么1992年的时候，咱们新疆维吾尔自治区专门下发了关于新疆维吾尔自治区计划生育的办法。那么这个办法里就明确规定了，少数民族也一样要实行计划生育。那么当时的计划生育政策呢还是比较宽松的。那么城镇呢是无论是这个汉族同志是只能生1个孩子， 那么但是农村的呢，汉族同志可以生2个。那么我们少数民族呢是有区别的，城镇里的少数民族可以生是2个孩子，那么农村那你可以生3个孩子啊，而且有特殊的情况你还可以多生孩子。
Not only are more children born across Xinjiang, but people are living longer too. From 1949 to 2019, the average life expectancy in Xinjiang increased from less than 30 years to 74.7 years. At her ripe old age, Rubihan still enjoys a flower life.
到那个这个从上学呢，这从这一般都上好，很么吃的，那就弄好过去。我这个从这一般都疼得很。过去从哪里有是这样的那个养花，现在呢，花好看得很，各个奥山都怎么样？